Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I'm coming at you with another keto recipe that, listen, I'm just banging it out. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm just really helping you load your keto arsenal with amazing recipes. This one is gonna be a keeper. You can do this anytime. It's fancy enough for company, simple enough for a weeknight. Cajun butter pork chops, which are gonna be good, right? But the bacon green beans are even amazing. So I'm gonna start with, this much bacon, as much as you want, into a skillet that's already been heating up on the stove, and let the bacon sort of start to render off its fat. Meanwhile, I want to add a little bit more flavor, okay, to the pan. So we're going to do that with, half an onion or so. Just slice it down. And I got a few cloves of garlic that I just want to chop up and get that going as well. Perfect, right? All right, and then just to help it along, I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. Perfect. So meanwhile, I have this cast iron skillet getting nice and hot because we're going to cook off some Cajun butter pork chops. So easy, so simple. I'm starting with a little all-purpose seasoning and then some Cajun seasoning as well. Now let's flip these juicy pork chops over because you gotta eat both sides, which means we gotta season both sides. All right, so we're gonna start by adding in some olive oil in the bottom of that pan. And we're gonna just use half olive oil, half butter. That way we get the flavor, but we also can cook it out so it doesn't burn. All right, and then in go our pork chops. All right, so we'll let the pork chops cook until they get golden brown on one side, then we'll flip them over and then get them right into a steaming hot oven ready to go. 375 whole degrees, okay? Meanwhile, look at what we have in the other skillet with the bacon and the garlic. See what's happened? The bacon is starting to cook up. The onions are a little translucent. I think this is a perfect time to add in our green beans. All right, let's get this all seasoned up. So real simple, I've just got some chicken bouillon, some granulated garlic. We're gonna stir, and then we'll add in a little bit of water and cover it with a lid. So after a couple of minutes, the pork chops are ready to come out of the oven. You can hear the sizzle. And then what I just like to do, personally, is just to make sure there's lots of flavor. So I'll come over here and grab some of the butter and oil. Remember those green beans with the bacon and the red onion? Ooh-wee! This is what you're left with. Now, how bad could that be? And the key is you want to let it rest a little bit, right? So once it comes out of the oven, try to let it rest for a few minutes before you bite into it. Okay, just to make sure, I need another piece because I don't really know. That's so funny. Simple ingredients done the right way, and really, you have a home run on your hand. I mean, listen, keto, real simple to do. Recipes like this, you know where they're going to be on the website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.